Hi yogis, welcome back to our yogic breathwork series. Today we're going to learn what I call energizing breath. It's also known as Kapalabhati breath or breath of fire in yoga. So this one takes you out of a state of tiredness and lethargy and brings you up into a more energized state. You have to be careful with it though. If you are already energized or if you are more nervous and anxious in general, this could be too much for you. If you are pregnant or have high blood pressure, then you probably don't want to do this one. You want to stick more with the other relaxing slow breaths. Today's breath is all about breathing fast and almost hyperventilating without taking it too far to bring in a lot of energy and get your nervous system kicked into gear. So we're not activating fight or flight just quite, but we are working towards that so that you feel ready to go. This is a good breath to do first thing in the morning, or if you're in that after lunch kind of slump where you don't think you'll make it to 5 o'clock, you are tired, you just want to take a nap, you could do this to revitalize yourself. So this breath is very stimulating for me. I like to do 10 rounds of it, take a little breath, and then do 10 more. And that's usually all I need. I don't need to go any further. I would suggest probably sticking with that until you see how your body reacts to it. So the way to do this breath is to take an inhale through the nose, and then we'll forcefully exhale through the nose if you can, and the inhale will become passive. You'll use your core to push the air out and then just relax your core to breathe back in. So it doesn't really make sense until you see it. I'll give you a little example. So you can see my stomach is forcefully pushing that air out. And it's a pretty fast pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it doesn't take long. Get seated and we'll get started. Sitting up tall, finding a comfortable position. If you want to practice, get that connection with your body, you can put a hand on your belly to feel that exhale being forced out. Inhale to start and exhale. And relax. That was 10 breaths already. Take a breath or two. We'll do that 2 more times. I think we'll stretch it out to 2 more times to see how we feel. Second round, let's inhale through the nose and exhale, 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 exhale. And rest. Take another breath. Last set. Inhale, breathe in, and exhale, breathe out. And relax. All right. That is energizing breath or breath of fire. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time here at A Yogi Like Me.